Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa Cricket Association President and Aldona MLA advocate Dayanand Narvekar has criticized the government for not doing anything concrete for Goan sports persons. Narvekar was puzzled as to how the state will fare at the national games without any preparations at all.
Prudent media caught up with Narvekar on the sidelines of women's cricket coaching camp at Chikli. Narvekar questioned the state authorities on lack of preparation for upcoming national games.
There is a team. When you want to play national after 2 years, you have to prepare the team 2 years or 3 years in advance. So with this sort of thing, even if you put your team, they will not get medals. Now see the history of Commonwealth game, Asiad. We are very happy that lot of medals came, but the teams were prepared 2 years in advance. They were sent abroad, they were trained, and that is how they got it.
Narvekar also came down hard on the state government for its laxity in implementing financial benefits of sports policy.
So I don't know why government is shy. They only talk sports in promotion by speeches, but in actual action it doesn't happen. It has to be as fast as possible. At least government should think about it in this 25th year, 50th year of independence of Goa. Liberate sportsmen from the clutches of bureaucracy. Allow them to go out and play on the field. That will be a real liberation for sportsmen in Goa.
Narvekar, however, is confident that the state cricketers are progressing perfectly.
Cricket has a big future in Goa. Big future in Goa. If you take GPL auction itself, for 40 days, person like Sher Bahadur Yadav is getting 4 lakhs and 25,000. Young boy like Kinan Waz and Rigan Pinto at the age of 18, 19, they are getting 3 lakhs rupees for hardly 2 months. So in Goa itself there is a lot of money. If they go in a national level, there is huge money. Ranji player at the end of 5 matches collects more than 6-7 lakhs rupees from BCCI directly. Plus his pension start after 25 matches, he gets 50,000 pension per month. So you can understand the incentives for boys and girls. And I am sure that in next 2 years time, some of Goan boys like Shikha Pandey will be in India team.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
The women's cricket camp from Murgaon Taluka has generated an enthusiastic response with 70 girls taking part in the camp. The camp was inaugurated on Thursday at Chikle ground in Vasco.
The Goa Cricket Association's women's coaching camp will run for 1 month and conclude on 2nd of January 2011. The camp was inaugurated by GCA President Advocate Dayanand Narvekar. Goa women's team captain Shikha Pandey bowled to Narvekar and Mrs. Narvekar during the inaugural ceremony. Among the other dignitaries were GCA's joint secretaries Kishori Haldankar and Jameer Carroll. Managing committee member Sharad Chopdekar and coach Chandrakant Chhede were also present. GCA Joint Secretary Kishori Haldankar advised young girls to emulate the likes of Shikha Pandey, who was close to getting selected for Indian World Cup team.
तुमचे पेरेंट्स सुद्धा तुमकां फुडें स्पोर्ट्सान आनी शिक्षणान दोनी तुमकां बॅलन्स करून चलपाक मेळटा आनी हो जो स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसीन जो हे स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी जी गव्हर्मेंटान हे केल्या तेतून आमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाचो सिंहाचो वांटो आसा. म्हाका एकूच सांगपाक जाय की ही जी एकेडमी आमी चालू केल्या तेचो तुमी पुरेपूर फायदो घेयात आनी जशें हांगा हांवें शिखा पांडे आसा जी नॅशनल रेप्रेजेंट केल्या तशीच तुमच्या भितरले तुमी सुद्दां हांगासरली तुमच्या भितरली चेडवाय सुद्दां थंयसर पावपाक जाय म्हणून हो एक हांवें GCAन कॅम्प चालू केला तेचो तुमी पुरेपूर फायदो घेयात.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
It was a historic moment for Russia as they were awarded the 2018 Football World Cup. Russia outbid other top contenders including England, US, Australia, South Korea and Japan. Russia has never hosted the World Cup. We leave you with these visuals of the bead presentation made by Russia at Zurich. Keep watching Prudent Media. Take care and goodbye.
Sasha, wake up.
Shavin is going to let him take the kick. This is most unusual.
Sasha, wake up. It's your big day.